Good morning everyone. My name is Urvi Santosh Mule Patil. I am studying in second grade. Today I am talking about birds. This is my project. The birds are aerial animals. The birds have beak, wings, lightweight body and legs. Birds use their beaks for eating food. Wings and lightweight body for flying. Legs for walking, catching their food and standing. The bird's house is called as nest. The nest is made up of grass, hay, sticks and leaves and so on. There are some birds who make their house on the tree branch like eagle, kite, sparrow, bulbul, cuckoo and pigeon. There are some birds who float on the water like swan, duck, kingfisher and heron. There are some birds who live in the tree trunk like owl, woodpecker, and woodpecker. There are some birds who never make their house like crow. There are some birds who never make their house but we make for them like coop. They are hen and cock. There are some birds who live in cold season like penguin. There are some birds who live on the housetop like stork. Now I will explain about how birds fly. There are some birds who can fly. There are some birds who cannot fly. There are some birds who fly high in the sky like eagle and kite. There are some birds who fly short distance like sparrow, crow, bulbul, cuckoo and pigeon. Peacock too. There are some birds who float on the water and fly in the sky but shorter distance like swan, duck, kingfisher and heron. There are some birds who cannot fly because they have heavy body like penguin and ostrich. There are some birds. Golden eagle is called as king of the birds and peacock is called as national bird of India. Never harm the birds because they are useful to us. It makes our environment clean. They balance food chain. We eat it like a food. They lay eggs for us. Their feather is used for decorations. Never harm the birds. Never put the birds in the cage. Let them breathe freely and fly freely. Thank you.